What's up, children? It's the Lamar Sanford of Expat Relocation.
Oh, come on, Pop, don't be ridiculous. You can't fight a traffic ticket.
I'm not being ridiculous. You are. Now look, you get a ticket from a white cop in a blue uniform in a black neighborhood. And make you so mad that you see red. And you ain't gonna fight it because you too yellow. Now what are you? What are you, a man or a box of crayons?
We are in the digital nomad mecca, Chiang Mai, Thailand. I got the original White Monkey Syndicate in effect, back in, you know, all in one room.
Like Voltron. We form like Voltron.
We form like Voltron, you know, and man, they got, you know, if you thought the legal cannabis thing was popping off in Bangkok, you got to see this up here. I mean, there's like a dispensary like literally every 2 feet, bro. Anyway, today's video is gonna be about
dental tourism. We're gonna brush the teeth, floss the teeth, see what's going on, how much it costs, you know? Let's go.
So Mish got a retainer and one of the wires broke. So we're gonna go.
Old. It's like 14 years old.
She had it for like 14 years, so it was a good run, but you know, the time was up.
It's time to go, you know? It's time to get a new one, see how much it costs, and we'll like, take you guys with us.
Yeah, we're gonna take you with us. I get my teeth cleaned out here at a certain dentist. They don't do the orthodontal shit, right? So we found.
They do, just other stuff.
Right, but not the one that she needed. So we found a place that does it, and we're gonna go see what that's about, and we're gonna give you.
It's at the bottom of the moat.
Yeah, bottom of the moat. We're gonna give you the prices. We're gonna tell you about the experience, and it's been really good to have the whole crew back together. Yo, fast forward to the next chapter.
So it was about 100 USD, like 4,000 baht. And basically they took all the glue off and there was still like some wire stuck there. So he just took that off, polished everything. And then he did a mold today of my teeth. And then I have to go pick it up on Wednesday. Hey, what's going on, guys? So it's Wednesday. We're gonna head back to the dentist, pick up my retainer. Hopefully it fits, and hopefully everything goes well. Hey guys, just checked in. Hey guys, so we just finished up at the dentist. Overall I was pretty happy with the service. I got the retainer, everything was about 100 USD. They got rid of the glue, the wire, put the mold in, and then I just got the new retainer today. It fits pretty nice, and you know, fuck the wire. It's fucking annoying to floss. Now it takes like 2 seconds to floss. But overall, yeah, I think I would recommend this Kitcha Dental Clinic. They're pretty good. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Definitely come check them out.
You know you ain't paying this for your dental in the NYC. You know you ain't paying this for your dental in the States. No, 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 no. Are you thinking of living, working, or investing in Thailand? Thailand is an amazing country that's more open than it has ever been before. They are a country that's looking into the future and doing some really radical things. It's an amazing time to be in Thailand, and there is a tremendous amount of opportunities for somebody who has an open mind. Who you deal with in Thailand will determine your experience to a great extent. If you do business with the wrong people, you can end up losing money and even in legal trouble. We have the contacts that you need to help you get on your feet in this amazing country and avoid all kinds of drama and problems that could come about by doing business with the wrong people. If you're interested in investing, working, employment, contacts for visas, contacts for housing, contacts for real estate, we got you covered.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up, check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.